I today, I want to spend a few minutes and just talk to you about the importance of protein and how it impacts our overall health. So, protein really is one of the essential macronutrients. It's required, by the human body to function correctly. Now, it plays a crucial roles in maintaining and repairing tissue, producing enzymes and hormones, and really supporting our overall health. So, I want to kind of do a deeper dive really into the benefits of protein, focusing on how it really promotes our general health and aids in muscle maintenance and contributes to other significant body functions. So, it's important that we understand the value of protein and make sure we're getting enough of it in our diet so that we can support our overall health. So first, protein is a large complex molecule. It's made up of amino acids, which are really the building blocks of life. There are 20 different amino acids, and 9 of which are considered essential because the body really can't make them and really must obtain them through food. Now, protein sources can be either animal-based, such as meat, dairy, eggs, or plant-based, like in beans, lentils, and nuts. Now, the daily recommended protein intake really does vary by age and gender and really your activity level, but general guidelines are saying around 50 to 56 grams a day, men and women. The reality of it is that's probably a little bit of under kind of dosing of protein. I recommend people try to get really 1 gram per pound of body weight per day. That is a lot of protein, but I'll explain better why I think it's important that we get that. So first, what are some of the health benefits of proteins? Now, proteins are vital for cell and tissue repair. It plays really a crucial role in healing wounds and really regeneration of tissue. They're also essential really for the production of enzymes, which are proteins themselves that catalyze biological reactions that are really necessary for digestion and metabolism. Hormones, which regulate various physiological processes, they're also protein based. And additionally, protein really contributes to a robust immune system by producing antibodies that fight off infection. They also help transport nutrients throughout the body, really ensuring the cells really receive the necessary substances to function correctly. So, very important macronutrient. Now, let's talk about proteins and muscle maintenance. We know that muscle maintenance is something that increases our longevity. So we want to do everything we can to maintain muscle mass. So muscle protein synthesis is really the process by which the body repairs and builds muscle fibers. And protein is a critical component of this process. So adequate protein intake is essential for preventing muscle loss, particularly as we get older. We're prone to something called sarcopenia. This is age-related muscle degeneration. So we want to do everything we can. And then obviously for the athletes, protein aids in recovery and enhances performance by really repairing the muscles that get damaged during intense physical activity. So, and very important macronutrient. How does it impact our weight? Protein is really very good for weight management and weight loss because it's something that you feel full a lot longer when you eat protein. That means you're going to be eating less. Hopefully, overall, your calories will be less than consuming less calories. So there's also called the thermic effect of food, and this really refers to the energy the body expends to digest the food, absorb it, and then use metabolism to get the nutrients out of it. And protein has the highest thermic effect of this, meaning that this increases your metabolic rate, which can also contribute to a higher caloric burn. So high protein diets, they've really been shown to improve body composition by promoting fat loss while preserving that lean muscle mass. Protein quality and digestibility. Not all proteins are the same. There's basically two categories, complete or incomplete. These are really based on the amino acid profile of the protein. So complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids and typically are found in animal products. Incomplete proteins are found in many plant-based foods. They lack one or more of the essential amino acids, but they can be combined with other forms to complete the amino acid profile. And then there is a protein digestibility kind of score to really use to determine, like, is this a good protein for digestibility? And obviously, the higher the score, indicating the better the amino acid profile and digestibility. So just good high quality proteins is something to really pay attention to. Now, some special considerations, vegetarians or vegans can really meet their protein needs by consuming a variety of plant-based sources, such as the beans, lentils, and soy products, but also may have to use protein supplementation. This can include whey or casein. These are plant-based powders. They can also be beneficial, especially if you, like I said, have that increased protein requirement. And then obviously individuals with food allergies or intolerance can have to kind of seek alternatives to protein sources so you're not triggering these adverse reactions. Now, one of the things that often people say is, what's the risk with excessive protein? So, protein is essential, but obviously consuming in excess can strain the kidneys, particularly in individuals with already pre-existing kidney conditions. So it's really important also to stay hydrated, really to support your kidney function. So there is a misconception that protein leads to bone loss due to calcium leaching. This is not correct. There's current research indicates that adequate protein intake actually supports bone health. Maintaining a balanced diet with the appropriate proportions of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins is really crucial in our overall health. So, protein is indispensable for maintaining and promoting our health, really supporting muscle maintenance, and really facilitating numerous physiologic functions. So by ensuring adequate protein intake from a variety of sources, individuals can really optimize their overall health, improve physical performance, and manage their weight effectively. So incorporating protein into a balanced diet is really fundamental aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So really, as you're looking at nutrition and things like that, really focus on high quality proteins and make sure you're getting enough of them in your diet. In fact, I would encourage people eat their proteins first, so that if something's going to be that get full and they're going to leave things on the plate, then I want you leaving your carbohydrates on the plate. So start with your proteins. So if there's anything else we can do to help you on your health journey, just let us know. Thanks.